want to permanently close your PalmPay account? In this video, I will show you the safest and fastest way to deactivate or delete your PalmPay account step by step. Make sure you watch the video until the end so that you won't lose your funds or transaction record. Step by step on how to deactivate your account. Firstly, is that the important thing to do before closing your account is, before requesting account closure, make sure that your PalmPay wallet balance is zero. Make sure that you don't have money on your PalmPay account. Complete any pending transaction. If you know that you have any pending transaction, make sure you complete it. Then repay outstanding loan if you have any. Probably you have any loan on your PalmPay account, please make sure you pay it and save important transaction record, because you may lose access after the account is closed. The second step is contact PalmPay customer care. You have to contact the PalmPay customer care. Open the PalmPay app, tap on me. After you tap on me, then select customer service. After you click on customer service, then chat with an agent and clearly state that you want to close your account. So after that, identity verification. PalmPay may ask you to verify your identity using your registered phone number. Yes, you ask you to identify your registered phone number and other account detail before processing your request. Then make sure you never share your PIN or password with anyone. Email verification. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from PalmPay account. Once approved, your account will be deactivated or permanently closed according to their account closure. And that is how to close your PalmPay account in a simple way. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more video. Thank you.